Hey everyone, this is Will. So in this video, I am going to go in detail on a website that is making $130,000 in profit per month. So we're going to learn how exactly are these guys doing this, what are some of the things that they are doing really right, how you can do exactly the same thing if you want, or even if you don't want, how you can take some of these aspects and apply to your own business, and a bunch of other really interesting stuff. By the way, every single week I give out one of my courses completely for free, so just press thumbs up on this video and leave a comment down below in the description to enter the competition. Also, I do have a lot of cool freebies, so check out the links down below in the description. Now let's jump straight into the video. Alright, so the website I am talking about is called Sprout, and it's basically a blog about finances, making money, all that kind of stuff. I've actually got into contact with the guys that are running this website quite a while ago, and they gave me some insights that I'm going to share a little bit later. But in general, just to give you an understanding, as you can see, this website basically creates content, useful content and tutorials about side hustles, jobs, investing, passive income, apps, freelancing, online business, and so on and so forth. So the founders, who are actually these two guys right here, Jeff and Ben, they actually have this other website that's called Breaking the 1%, which is kind of like a sister blog where they more, I guess, focus of how they actually build out Sprout to what it is. And in there, they actually have income report. They have discontinued their income reports, but you can still access the old ones. And as you can see, this one has been last updated 2019 August 31, so it's not very recent, but I'll show you later on that these guys are still doing pretty fine. So I'm pretty sure they're still making a bank. But if you look at this, the most recent report that still exists there, you will see that in January they had 180,000 in revenue and they had 130,000 in profit after all of the expenses, which was 50,000. In February it was also 170, basically 70,000 in expenses and 100,000 in profit. So these are definitely some really good numbers, especially for just two guys running a blog. So something that is very interesting here as well is that they actually share a screenshot of their Google Analytics. And as you can see here, it's from January 1st, 2019 to February 28th. So 2 months. And in total, as you can see, they have 2.4 million page views and 2 million sessions. So actually they only have 1.2 pages per visit, which they could definitely increase. And I'll show you later, actually, I think they increased on this, and average duration as well. I think they also increased these numbers as well. But this kind of gives you an understanding of how many visits they actually have, and later on I will show you how exactly they are making money on their blog. So then it's going to give you a little bit of an understanding of how much traffic you might want to drive if you want to earn specific amount of money, even though there are a lot of different methods what these guys could also do to make even higher numbers. And another very, very interesting thing as well is that they actually show their journey, and I think this is really, really great because a lot of people just give up when it comes to blogging because it takes a long time to start ranking. And as you can see, these guys actually started in February 2015. And as you can see, they made $0, $0, $0. The first money they made, 30 cents, was in May 2016. So they spent over a year to start generating anything at all. And then as you can see, $17, $30, still not making anything. And then it jumped to $1,000. And then as you can see, stayed around this, and then eventually jumped to 7,000. And then as you can see, it really started to scale slowly and steadily, but it started to definitely scale to quite a bit. And now as you can see, it jumped to a lot. So even if you compare, let's say, February 2019 to let's see, February 2018, it was 8,000, whereas now you got 170,000. So this is a very good indication, and this is as much as I have come across all of the different people who do blogging. You always see the same case. There's very little income at the beginning, and then it starts growing slowly, and then it starts just exponentially exploding. So in this other income report, they actually also show you how they are making money, where majority of their money is coming from. And as you can see here, they really have been only using affiliate marketing, and they made vast majority, well, actually pretty much everything just from affiliate marketing. They made a little bit from the ads, and I think was probably they just started running ads because they should make more money from ads than just $1,000. And they had some course sales, but I believe this was even not from Dollar Sprout, but from their other website. And they didn't do any sponsored posts, zero, which again is a big opportunity, especially when they have such a big audience. They definitely could get some sponsored posts, and they could make a lot more money. They could easily make the same 100 grand just from sponsored posts as they did from affiliate marketing. So as we saw, majority of Dollar Sprout income comes from affiliate marketing. So the way this works is, first of all, they sign up for all of these different affiliate programs. Within the sign up, they get a custom URL that is specifically for them. Then when they put that URL on their website, and if someone clicks on that URL, it's a trackable URL where that company can see that that person, that customer came from Dollar Sprout to their website. And if that person makes a purchase on the website, then Dollar Sprout gets rewarded, and usually they're getting either a percentage from a sale or they're getting a set commission. So if we go on Dollar Sprout website, and let's say we're just going to open this section right here, 38 creative ways to make money fast. As you can see, basically they have this article that's a list of all of the different ways you can make side money. And aside from telling you what are the ways, they also have their affiliate links. So these buttons right here, they actually have affiliate links with them. So for example, if you sign up for Postmates or Instacart or DoorDash, then they are going to get some sort of commission that they were the ones who drove you to sign up for those programs. The same goes here as well. Let's say take paid surveys. So again, they have Swagbucks, Inbox Dollar, Survey Junkie. So if you press on one of these links, you will see that they actually are affiliate links. And as you can see right here, if we come to Swagbucks, within the URL, as you can see, it's a really long URL. And what is this? This is the trackable URL. And in here, you will actually should be able to see somewhere the code. So as you can see here, they have the word affiliate, and then somewhere within here, it's the code that is specifically for Dollar Sprout, so they know that you clicked on the link. So if you sign up, then they're going to give commission for Dollar Sprout. And as you can see, they really have, just on this one list, they have insane amount of all of the different programs. The only thing is here that most of these programs, they are usually not very high commission rates, but then again, they're playing more of the volume game. If they get few thousand people signing up every single month, then they are making $100,000 per month. Whereas some affiliate programs, they might pay you few $100s just for one person to purchase a product. Whereas most of these, I think they're probably paying only from maybe $10 to $100. So as we saw in the income report, these guys are pretty much just doing affiliate marketing, but honestly, there are so many more ways they could make extra money, or even more money actually. So if you would be doing something like this, what you can also do, you can create your own products. And if they would create their own products, I am sure they would make at least, I would say, 5 to 10 times more money. Obviously, everything takes time, and they're really good at blogging and affiliate marketing, so perhaps they are just concentrating on that, and I don't blame them for doing that, but I just wanted to let you know that there are other ways as well. They could also be selling services. They could also have some sponsor posts. Sponsor posts, especially when you have such big audience, can pay really well. And they could also have some memberships when you have such a huge audience as well. Having membership with recurring fees, that could be a good revenue stream as well. So just something to think about, that even though these guys are already making a lot of money from affiliate marketing, they have so much more opportunity as well where they could make even a lot more money. So how exactly are these guys driving so much traffic to their website? If we look at SimilarWeb and DollarSprout, you will see that it shows that in the past 3 months, they had total of 1 million visits, which actually is a big drop off from what they had before. But these are still really good numbers, and as you can see, they actually managed to increase their visit duration to 4 minutes, and their bounce rate and the average page view as well. And by the way, don't always just blindly trust the numbers on SimilarWeb. Often they are very off, but it's at least a little bit good indication whether a website is having 10,000 visitors a month or they having 100,000 visitors a month. So if you look where most of the traffic is coming from, you will see that 30% basically are direct traffic, and then vast majority is organic traffic. Again, these are not precise numbers per se, but I would say that majority of the traffic must be coming from SEO. And as you can see, also 50% of the traffic is from United States, which is really good. And so how do they manage to actually get all of this traffic from SEO? When I talked with these guys, they said that all they really did is they don't have any crazy secret or anything like that. They just applied all of the main principles of SEO and put in a lot of work and effort and started ranking. So to give you an example, if you look at this article, 18 best passive income ideas to make money 24/7. This is definitely a very competitive article, and the URL is actually passive income ideas, so it means that they're actually targeting this keyword right here, and that is definitely a very competitive keyword. But what they did, first of all, a very good indication that they are doing a good job is, as you can see here, last updated October 23. So they do come back to their articles and they actually update their articles, and that is one thing already that a lot of people don't do. And when you look at the article itself, what you will notice is that this article is insanely long. It's really detailed article. So this is kind of what they do. Google basically wants to give out the best possible user experience, and if you have an article that is much better than any other article on the same topic, then you are likely to be ranking well on Google. And aside from that, if we do a little search on this page, so let's say passive income ideas, you will see that this specific keyword has been mentioned 9 times in total. And if we delete the ideas part, because it's probably a little bit hard to squeeze that keyword in, making it still natural. So if you look at passive income, then you will see the keyword has been mentioned 40 times within the article. So they definitely know how to use their main keywords. And this is the main keyword, but they probably have some other keywords that they are also ranking within this article itself. And as you can see, the way the article is written, basically it's structured in a way that's very easy readable, and again, it has more information probably than any other article out there, which helps them rank a lot. And another important thing what these guys have done, they actually worked on building out links. So if you use Moz, you will see that within this specific article they have 167 links in total, and this is something that helps them to build out their domain authority and build out authority for this specific article to rank higher in Google. So if we go to Ubersuggest, which you can also use to do some research, it's a completely free tool, and if we put in $Sprout domain, you will see that first of all, they're ranking for 214,000 organic keywords, which is absolutely insane. And as you can see here, it shows the monthly traffic, just organic traffic, and it shows the amount of backlinks as well. And they have 134,000 backlinks in total, which again is a lot and a lot of backlinks. And as you can see here, back basically 1 year ago, they had almost 1 million organic visits per month. And now they did drop to a little bit less than 300,000. I'm not too sure why exactly, but from what I saw before, it seemed they did have a very short time on their website, and now they have much better. So maybe they were just focusing on better user experience, and maybe they were focusing on getting more conversions from their website. So sometimes you might want to focus on that rather than just having the largest amount of traffic. And something really cool here as well is if you look at some of these blog posts, you can see which blog posts are bringing in what kind of estimate traffic. This is just all organic traffic, and you can see some of these keywords, and these are keywords that they are ranking for. And as you can see, online jobs or actual online jobs, they are in position 2, 3, and 4, which is absolutely insane because these are some of the most competitive keywords. And if you have any products related to the keyword or you're running any ads to that keyword, they are going to be very, very expensive. So I've opened an incognito window just to make sure there are no cookies. And if I put in online jobs, you will see that we have Dollar Sprout right here on the first page, 28 jobs, and this is probably driving thousands and thousands of visits every single month. So another thing I wanted to discuss why I think their website works really well is because they have really good user experience. So if you go on the website, you will see that they have all of these sections right here. And if you go, let's go to passive income. If you go here, you will see that they have this one article that's probably the best performing article. And after that, they have this section right here that is very easy to go through and see all of the different articles just on one page. So you don't need to do a lot of scrolling, and everything is in one place so they don't lose out on the person just leaving the website. And another thing, when you open, let's say we are opening now passive income ideas, so you will see that right here they have their email opt-in, 17 genius ways to make extra money, free guide. So they have an opt-in specifically related to that article. And if we would go to something else, let's go to investing, and let's open one of these articles. So again, as you can see, by the way, what they are doing here really well as well, they have other categories within this category of investment. They have the main articles. Then they actually have these reviews, which are all affiliate links. And again, they have this section here. So this is just really something for inspiration to see how a good blog should actually look like. And let's say if we open one of these articles, you should see somewhere they should have an opt-in form for their email list. Right, so at the bottom they have opt-in form for their email list, and this opt-in form, as you can see, says get your free financial planner. So again, we're talking about investing, so the opt-in form, the lead magnet, is tailored for that specific audience. And then most likely within their email list, they have different segments for people that are interested in different topics, and when they publish new articles, they send out those articles to that specific segment. So hope you found this video interesting and useful. If you did, do let me know in the comments if I should make more videos like this, because I all the time come across websites like this. I love geeking out about this kind of stuff. If you found this video interesting or useful, press thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, put on those notifications once you subscribe so you see next time I upload a video. Stay awesome, and I'll see you soon.